Hi everyone, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really inexpensive little thinking of you token type Christmas gifts to pass out to your co-workers or your club members, church members, just to say Merry Christmas. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I put this together with some Dollar Tree materials. Okay, so you can pick up these tags. There's 25 pieces at the Dollar Tree, and they have them right now. They also have this same type of thing at the 99-cent store. So I thought these were really cute though, for $1. So you're going to choose for each one 2 tags, like this, and you can do it a couple of different ways. You can put these together like this and have a pretty decoration on both sides, or you can take one of these, turn them around, and have a decoration on one side and then a to and from in the back, and you can write who it's to and who it's from. So it's up to you. But today I'm going to be doing it this way, okay, with the design on both sides. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Surebonder mini glue gun, and I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue right here across the bottom, and I'm going to do it a little ways away from the bottom, so when I put this on like this and gently press it, it won't leak out of the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that this is cooled down a little bit before I go on, and I can tell that it's already starting to grab pretty well. So on the side here, I'm just going to put just the tiniest amount all the way up here to about here. And I'm going to do the same thing. Close it up. Try not to get the hot glue too close to the edge here, like I said. About like that. And I love this glue gun because it makes such narrow lines. So I'm just going to wait a few seconds to make sure this is cooled down and grabbing. And of course we did not put any here on the edges. You don't need any there. Just from here on down and around. Okay? Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, you can take a pen or a pencil and just kind of insert it in here, and it'll kind of open it up for you a little bit. Okay? Now you can buy these little coffee pouches at any store. Walmart, Ross has them. They have some really good ones, usually at Christmas time, and they're marked down, of course. And Dollar Tree carries them as well. However, I have to be honest with you, I have never tried the instant coffee sticks at Dollar Tree, so if you have, please leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Now, I did put a piece of washi tape around here. Now, I'm not a real washi tape person, but I did that because the expiration date was printed in black in the front, and I didn't want it to show. I wanted it to look a little festive, so I just wrapped a piece of washi tape around it, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to just slip this in, like so. Push it on down, just like this. And then you're going to take a couple of Dollar Tree bells, and then this baker's twine, and I really like this. It's a nice quality. I don't care for the twine at the Dollar Tree simply because to me it's just really kind of cheap and I just don't like it. So I'm just going to push this on through. You can also use a wire folded in half to pull this through, like a needle and a thread. And then once you have these through, you're going to fold it in half, just like this. And just tie it in an overhand knot, like that. And then I'm going to slide one end in here in the front hole. Like that. And then give that an overhand knot, like so. And then just tie it in a bow. And then I'll just snip the ends off, like that. Okay, and of course I can't stop there. You know me, I have to bling up everything, so I'm not going to put a whole lot on here, but I thought it would be kind of nice to put maybe a little piece of bling, sticky back bling from the Dollar Tree, right here, and maybe right in the middle there. Use a little green one for that. Not a lot, just a couple of pieces. There we go. And so you have a nice little Merry Christmas thinking of you gift for practically nothing, and you can pass them out to your club members, church members, co-workers, anyone you like. Or maybe just to keep with you and pass them out to different people as kind of a random act of kindness gift too. So with that said, I really hope you enjoyed this project, and God bless each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.